1, and when I say growth, you say mindset. Growth. Mindset. Growth. Mindset. The power of yet helps you anytime you're frustrated. You might feel something like, I just can't do this, or I'm just not good enough at this. And that's okay. Normal to feel that way. But when you add the word yet to the end of it, it reminds you, I just can't do this yet. I'm just not good at this yet. But when I keep going, my brain will keep growing. I just have to give it more time. So please repeat after me. When I keep going, my brain keeps growing. So let's practice this real quick. I'm going to say some of those things you might feel. If you're feeling frustrated, you add the word yet to the end of what I say. Okay, here we go. I just can't do this math problem. Okay. So it's not like I'll never be able to do this math problem. I just haven't figured out this math problem yet. Maybe instead of trying this problem once and then dramatically giving up, maybe I should try it a couple more times to give my brain more time to grow. Let's try another one. Remember, you had yet. I just can't beat this level on my video game. Okay. So, it's not like I'll never be able to beat this level on my video game. I just haven't beaten this level yet. Maybe instead of trying the same thing over and over and over again, maybe I need to try a different way to beat this level. Everyone say, try a different strategy. Try a different strategy means if you tried one way to do something and it didn't work, try a different way. All right, let's try one more. Remember, you had yet. I'm just not a vegetarian. But I really love chicken wings. That's hard for me, huh? When I count 3, everyone say yet. 1, 2, 3. Yet. That's the power of yet. You can use all year long to remember not to give up when things get tough. When I say growth, you say mindset. Growth. Mindset. Growth. So there's the first layer. Listen for the second layer. There's the second layer. Listen for the third layer. Alright, now that we have our beat, it's time for a freestyle rap about swimming, Fortnite, basketball, drawing, soccer, sonic racing, gymnastics, dance, and taekwondo. So you're gonna know this rap is made up right here and right now. Because I don't think there are too many rap songs out there about all those topics in one song in the history of hip-hop. So without further ado, a freestyle rap for you. Alright, yo, check it. Yo, like DJ Khaled, you know we stay winning. I go with the flow, you know I stay swimming. And yeah, when I rhyme, I stay bringing that emotion. Yeah, we stay swimming like we going in the ocean. Yeah, and when I rap, but my crew is so tight. Cause yeah, we always win when it comes to Fortnite. Oh, you know that it's all going down. My crew flying and we land in Tomato Town. Oh, that's right, they like, you know it, huh? Dr. Blake, he flew in on the battle bus. And yeah, when I rhyme, gotta bounce it off the wall. Cause I cross over like Chris Paul in basketball. And yo, when I rhyme, sometimes I'm in a hurry. I post up and make that 3, Steph Curry. What you know about that? Yeah, you know the name. I be in the Hall of Fame. They call it LeBron James. Ooh, and you know I stay soaring. I go 2-3 to the 4-5, just like Michael Jordan. And yo, when I rap, you know I got that spark. #1 draft pick, just like Caitlin Clark. Yo, so check it, they loving how I am this. Yes, I like drawing, cause I do it on my canvas. Yes, you understand this, the name is Blake Brandis. También puedo hablar un poco in Spanish. Ooh, it's like that every single day, cause I draw and it moves, so they call it anime. Cause yo, I'm big online like my name was Mr. Beast. But yo, they watching anime just like One Piece. Yo, that's right, your boys spit that true flow, talking about anime like Goku or Naruto. Yo, so check it right here one time. Come on, Gentle Ranch, help me out with the rhyme. I said, hey, yo, let's go. I said, hey, yo, let's go. Verse 2, get it hot like a matchstick. 3 goals in soccer, I call that a hat trick. And yo, check it, I'm always on a roll. I'm talking about soccer cause I always reach my goals. Ooh, and my haters never stress me. I'ma win the World Cup just like Messi. Hey, cause you know I got the hot flow, scoring goals in soccer just like Ronaldo. Yeah. And I know how they want it. I always stay racing on a beat like Sonic. And yo, when I kick it, it takes a lot of practice. Lyrical backflips, I'm talking gymnastics. Yo, and when they do it the style, I'ma win Olympic gold just like Simone Biles. Yeah, and my people all laugh like, yo, Dr. Blake, do you play Minecraft? Yo, you know that you can check those assumptions. Yeah, my lyrics go deep, yo, that's Minecraft Dungeons. And yeah, when I rock, I bring the hip-hop, cause I got dance moves online from TikTok. Yo, you know that I go with the flow, cause I throw it in the sky, and then I hit the whoa. And yeah, when I rhyme, you know we got the flow. Thanks for the assist, spelling Taekwondo. Yeah, you know how we do it, it takes some help, cause that's how we expand our health and our wealth. And yo, you know it's true, keep it rolling like a fast car. Hold on, a fast car? Yeah, that's a Jaguar. Hey, yo, I just don't stop. Like, oh, the Jaguar, yeah, that's your mascot. Yo, and you know that this wasn't on plan, cause I could be a superhero, just like Spider-Man. Yo, yeah, you know, really and truly, didn't really hear me over there in the hoodie. But yo, that's okay, we keep it going. You know how we do it, yeah, I'ma keep it flowing. Cause when I rhyme, they gon' really be amazed. Like, yo, did you bring some papers to grade? Yeah, you know you gotta keep on task, cause you know you gotta grade those papers so fast. I know Jason Ranch, you know how to do it. So yo, here we all go, we about to get into it. Cause yo, we got one thing before us. So come on, Jaguars, and help me out with the chorus. I said, hey, yo, let's go. I said, hey, yo, let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, let's go. So there's the first layer. Listen for the second layer. Second layer, listen for the third layer. Alright, now the other beat, it's time for a freestyle rap about jiu-jitsu, soccer, drawing, dancing, taekwondo, basketball, drinking boba, and video games. So you know this rap is made up right here or right now. Some of these are too many rap songs out there about all those topics in one song in the history of hip-hop. So without further ado, a freestyle rap for you. Alright, yo, check it, yeah, yo. It's a freestyle rap, so I kick it off the brain. And you know I'm feeling principled like Miss McClain. And yeah, when I rap, I play it just like melodious. Yo, I'm cleaning up, Joseph, the custodian. Hey, you know how we do it, we don't stop. Yeah, is your shirt so Bass Pro Shop? Oh yeah, you know it does. That's the truth. Yeah, free the blast, I got bass in the booth. Oh, you see how we do it? Yeah, I'm about to get cool, and I can do it like that. I got jujitsu, and when I rock, yo, it's just like a hobby. Yo, I kick it like karate, or like Mr. Miyagi. And yeah, when I rap, they say he's so fly. Hold on, Mr. Miyagi, is that from Cobra Kai? Oh, you know that I had to do it big. It's actually a lot older, that was the Karate Kid. But yo, you know I get it hot like a matchstick. 3 goals in soccer, I call that a hat trick. Hey yo, when I rhyme, sometimes I'm on a roll. I'm talking about soccer, cause I always reach my goals. And my haters never stress me. I'm about to win a World Cup like like Ronaldo. Hey, and they're loving how I am this. Cause I stay drawing, cause I drew it on my canvas. Yes, you understand this, the name is Blake Brandis. Copy and wiggle without a vocal in Spanish. It's like that every single day, cause I draw and it moves, so they call it anime. Cause yo, I'm big online like my name was Mr. Beast. But yo, they watching anime just like One Piece. Oh, and they say it's your boy Macadamia. Hold on, anime like My Hero Academia? What? Yo, you know I spit that true flow, talking about anime like Goku or Naruto. Yeah, and I can give them what they want. I'm like, yo, Pikachu, shout out to your Pokemon. Hey, and you know that I'm about to take a chance. Yo, I used to live in France and I learned how to dance. Cause I would do dance moves all the time in the street. Yo, I'm talking dance moves just like Juju on the beat. But yo, nowadays I bring the hip hop. Cause I got dance moves online from TikTok. So yo, check it out, right here and right now. You know, Gypsy Ranch is about to go down. Cause yo, I keep it rolling just like I was a fast car. Yo, a fast car? Yo, I'm talking to Jaguar. Hey, yo, let's go. I said, hey, yo, let's go. Yo, we keep it on with the show. They had to take a second. Oh, Jaguar, for sure, I get it. Yo, you understand, that's how we do. Yo, so I got the next round of topics for you. Cause yeah, I'm about to kick it. I'm kicking the flow. Hold on, I'm about to kick it. That's Taekwondo. And yo, when I rap, got 'em bouncing off the balls. Cause I cross over like Chris Paul and basketball. And yo, when I rhyme, sometimes I'm in a hurry. I post up and make that green Steph Curry. And yo, when I rhyme, you know I stay sorted. I go 2, 3, 4, 5, just like Michael Jordan. Hey, and you know they know the name. I'm in the Hall of Fame. They call it LeBron James. And yo, when I rhyme, you know I got that spark. #1 draft pick, just like Caitlin Clark. Oh, you know how we do it. I get it poppin' like a soda. Hold on, the little bubbles. I'm talking about some boba. Yeah, you best believe, like I got a big straw for my boba tea. Hey, yeah. You know they know the name. Believe I'm a fan of those video games. Got the Xbox One or the PS5. Yo, I'm on the 360, so you know I keep it live. And yeah, when I play, my fingers moving quick. Whether I'm on Twitch or the Nintendo Switch. You know that I got 'em on flossing. Cause yo, they on the Switch playing Animal Crossing. And yo, when I rhyme, I do it so humongous. Cause yo, I heard there's an imposter among us. Like, yo, but Dr. Blake, do you play Minecraft? Hey, you know that you can check those assumptions. Cause my lyrics go deep, yo, that's Minecraft Dungeons. And yo, when I rock, yeah, I just don't stop. I'm gonna step into the top like I'm playing Roblox. And I'm nice up on the mic. My crew always win when it comes to Fortnite. Cause you know what's going down. My crew flying and we land in Tomato Town. Hey, you know about it. Hold on a sec, Fortnite up in the battle bus? What? Yo, you know how we do it. I got another. I got old school games like the Mario Brothers. Yo, and I can do it how they want it. Yo, just like a hoodie, keep it rolling like Sonic. Oh, and you know I never struggle. Hold on, you got Sonic, but you also got Knuckles. Yeah, you know how we do it. We don't stop though. Yes, we keep rapping, always bringing the hot flow. So yo, I'm gonna go out on a limb, on the branch. Help me with the chorus right here with Gypsy Ranch. I said, hey, yo, let's go. I said, hey, yo, let's go. Gypsy Ranch, let's go. That's the way I grow my mind. One step at a time. That's the way I grow my mind. Gypsy Ranch, you've been amazing today. My name is Dr. Blake. Please give yourselves a round of applause. Thank you so much. Woo!